Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable 5G in your smartphone. So if you are having any issues with your 5G services and if you don't know how to enable your 5G in your Android smartphone, then simply follow these steps. First, go to your device settings, and then once you're inside your device settings, simply go to mobile network. From here, simply choose the particular SIM of which you want to enable 5G, and then from here click on the preferred network type, and from here instead of 4G simply choose 5G, 4G, 3G or 2G. And here you can see that the switch has been successfully done, and now my network is running on the 5G network. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.